Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SoFi Invest app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install the SoFi Invest app, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are on an Android device. In the search bar, type SoFi Invest and press enter. Locate the official SoFi Invest app in the search results. Ensure you check the developer's name to confirm its authenticity. Once you find the app, tap on it to open its details page. Look for the Install or Get button and tap on it. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use your fingerprint to confirm the download. Wait a moment for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the SoFi Invest app icon on your home screen. Tap on the app icon to launch it. When the app opens, you will be asked to create an account or log in if you already have one. If you are a new user, select the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your personal information. Provide necessary details such as your email address and create a password. After entering your information, review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree, then tap on the Continue or Next button. You may be asked to verify your email address, so check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the SoFi Invest app and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, you can explore the app's features and tools. Set up additional security features, such as two-factor authentication, if prompted. Now you are ready to start investing with SoFi Invest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.